Your YouTube title is everything. Think about it for a second. Someone is scrolling through their feed, right? They see dozens of videos. What makes them stop? It is not your amazing editing. It is not your perfect lighting. It is not even your great content, because honestly, they have not seen it yet. The first thing they see is your thumbnail and your title. You have less than 1 second to grab their attention. Your title is a promise. It tells the viewer what they will get if they click. A great title makes a great promise. A weak title makes a weak promise. And no one clicks on a weak promise. Your video lives or dies by its title. So, how do you make a title that works? You have to think like a viewer. They want to be entertained. They want to learn something new. They want to feel an emotion. Your title needs to speak directly to one of these desires. It is your first and only chance to make a connection. The secret ingredient to a clickable title is one simple thing: curiosity. Humans are naturally curious creatures. When something creates a question in our minds, we feel an urge to find the answer. This is called the curiosity gap. A great YouTube title opens a gap between what viewers know and what they want to know. They click to close that gap. It's a powerful psychological trigger that works every single time. Your job as a creator is to make that gap feel interesting and valuable. Think about it like a mystery. A good mystery novel gives you clues. It makes you ask questions. Who did it? Why did they do it? You keep turning pages because you need to know the ending. Your YouTube title should do the same. Present a small piece of a puzzle. The rest of the puzzle is inside your video. Example: how to bake a cake. Helpful, not curious. Baking a cake with one ingredient you already have creates a curiosity gap. The viewer thinks, what is that one ingredient? They have to click to find out. Vague or simple titles fail. No gap to close equals no reason to click. One of the most powerful title templates is the "you won't believe" formula. This phrase works because it directly challenges the viewer. It makes a bold claim and dares the viewer to find out if it is true. It automatically creates a massive curiosity gap. When you read "you won't believe what happened next," your brain immediately wants to know what happened. The title sets up an expectation for something shocking, surprising, or unbelievable. This works for almost any niche: gaming, cooking, finance. It promises a payoff that is out of the ordinary, making the click feel urgent and necessary. Let's look at some examples. Travel. Instead of visiting Paris, try "you won't believe what we found under the Eiffel Tower." Tech. Instead of "new phone review," use "this new phone has a feature you won't believe." See how that works? It takes a normal topic and adds a layer of extreme mystery. The key is to make sure your video actually delivers on the promise. The thing you reveal should be genuinely surprising or interesting to the viewer. Otherwise, you risk being labeled as clickbait. Rapid-fire ideas. You won't believe how easy this is. You won't believe who showed up. This one trick will get you results you won't believe. I asked 100 people a question and you won't believe their answers. So, another incredibly powerful title strategy is the "I tried" formula. This style of title works because it's personal, relatable, and it promises a clear outcome. When you say "I tried," you're positioning yourself as a guinea pig for your audience. You're doing the hard work, taking the risk, spending the money so they don't have to. And this instantly provides value. Viewers absolutely love to see the results of an experiment without having to conduct it themselves. It's like a shortcut to knowledge and experience, which makes it super appealing and highly clickable. The "I tried" title is perfect for reviews, tutorials, challenges, lifestyle content. For example, instead of "review of the new Super Blender," try "I tried the $500 Super Blender, was it worth it?" This title actually tells a story. Character, that's you, conflict, is it worth the money promised? Resolution, the verdict. People are naturally drawn to stories. Another great variation is "I tried a famous person's routine for a week." For example, "I tried The Rock's morning routine for 7 days." Numbers are honestly one of your best friends when it comes to writing YouTube titles. Our brains are naturally drawn to numbers because they promise structure, efficiency, clarity. A number in a title just makes it feel more specific, concrete, valuable. It tells the viewer exactly what they're going to get. For example, a title like "Tips for Better Sleep" is okay, But 7 tips for better sleep in 5 minutes is so much stronger. The numbers 7 and 5 make the promise specific and measurable. The viewer knows they'll get a set number of tips, and that they'll be quick to learn. This feels way more manageable, less overwhelming. Countdown and listicle titles are classics for a reason. They work. Challenges are another format that totally thrives on numbers and clear goals. I survived 24 hours in a forest building, a Lego castle with 10,000 pieces. The number sets a clear, difficult goal. The viewer's curiosity is immediately engaged. Now you have the secrets. You know that a great title is not just a label. It's a promise that creates a powerful curiosity gap. You have the formulas that the biggest YouTubers use to get massive clicks every single day. You understand the psychology behind why you won't believe, creates shock, and why I tried, builds trust and relatability. You also see how numbers and challenges can add structure and drama to your titles, making them honestly irresistible to viewers who are scrolling through their feeds. These are not complicated theories. They're practical tools you can start using right now. The next step is the most important one. You have to take action. Don't just read this and forget it. Open up your YouTube channel. Look at your last 5 videos. How could you rewrite those titles using these formulas? Could my garden tour become 5 secrets I discovered in my garden that you won't believe? Could making a pizza become, I tried to make a pizza with only $1 worth of ingredients? Practicing on your old videos is a great way to build the skill without any risk. It trains your brain to think like a top creator. Now give that content the excellent title it truly deserves. Enjoyed this? Smash the like button and subscribe to join the community of savvy marketers. It's all about making meaningful connections and playing the numbers game. Drive those clicks.